All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Hex FX, super cool multi-effect unit plugin here, if you will. And check the playlist below or somewhere floating around this video for the latest deals in plugin news and free plugins and stuff. Anyways, let's check this thing out. All right, so this is the interface here. Really quick, intuitive layout and really easy to use. We have our input, our output. We have a filter here, stereo width, tone, and dry and wet knob down here, and a bypass as well as an on and off for a bypass up here. We have our different categories that we could choose from. Lo-fi presets. We could also click on here for our preset list. We have a randomizer, which is very cool. And then we have 6 different modules down here that we can move around. Obviously, there's only 3 here. You can turn them on and off right here. The amount here is for the individual module. So this knob here will control all those parameters down there. If you make adjustments here, that adjustment will stay, and then when you go down, it'll just go down to the amount that you have it adjusted to. So pretty wild. Then we have another panel here. We have deeper manipulation of each individual module, and stuff down here as well. But on the surface, it's just very quick and very easy to do stuff. Turn these on. The DJ settings are pretty cool. We could turn these on and off. Actually, they're off right now like that. And then we just do our craziness with it. Let's play some demo sounds on some vocals and things.
Lights are bright and now they filter, now they fading out. Stay within it, gotta fight it like a final bout. Check my flesh, check my chest. Big diamonds bouncing. Ooh, am I watch different? Am I chain different? Am I ride different? It's the same different. Lights are bright and now they filter, now they fading out. Stay within it, gotta fight it like a final bout. Lights are bright and now they filter, now they fading out. Stay within it, gotta fight it like a final bout. Check my flex, check my chest. Big diamonds bouncing. Ooh, hurt my neck. Am I watch different? Am I chain different? Am I ride different? It's the same different.
Let's check out some of these DJ effects on this vocal track.
You know you're my ride or die. You make everything all wrong, all wrong, all blind. I realize eyes your eyes, so what light up my life? Ride or die. You life. Da 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 da. Realize eyes your eyes, so what light up my life? My life, my life. Ride or die. Make everything.
And of course, this is all automatable, if you will. You can put this onto your tracks. Also awesome for creating lo-fi type vibes. Let's check it out on some drums. Got some nice space presets in here. So as you can see, it's very versatile. It's a kind of like a Swiss Army knife for effects and just adding grit and groove and slam or whatever vibe to your tracks. So let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. Check out my other videos floating around the screen here. I have hundreds of other videos on my back catalog. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.